Hello everybody, this is Nerf Gun Reviewer 331 here today. Today's video is going to be on the Nerf. It's going to be a Nerf gun review on the Nerf NailBiter. This is the ZombieStrike. I believe this is the ZombieStrike line, and based on what I can see, it's an internal clip. There is looks like there's really no priming mechanism you have to do. There's no slide, and then you have to push it back and then pull the trigger. It's all trigger based, and how hard and fast you pull the trigger. So pretty much, the way I see it is, it's like, the rate of fire is dependent on how fast you pull this trigger. And then once you, of course, when you have all your darts out, you just throw, you put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way up to 8, and then slam it back down, and it's all set to go. I've read reviews on Amazon that say that, and other places too, but some people say like some of their guns jam and some of the guns don't work. Sometimes you pull the trigger and and it just doesn't work and doesn't shoot the dart or just gets jammed. I have none of that, which is pretty good. I mean, I can do a pretty honest review. So for the NailBiter, sorry, I'm still a little sick. Like I said, so there's an internal clip, holds 8 darts. It holds eight of these, I think there's ZombieStrike darts, and I also brought, I had brought 2 other types of darts with me. I have the Race Squad AccuFakes, or I think these are waffle heads, maybe. These are the darts I got for free and made a video about it. That one ran away. And these 2 are the darts I bought before. These are also from Race Squad. They're pretty much streamlines. The same idea. Like a fatter, longer dart head. Still the same dart length. But I am testing to see will these work with the gun. And this is going to be the first time me doing this. Well, with these darts at least. I've tried them with the Race Squad and the regular ZombieStrike darts, and they work flawlessly. We'll put these 2 in first. I mean, the loading mechanism is fairly simple, and here comes the Race Squad darts. Like, I'm really surprised how everything is... It's kind of almost well orchestrated here. And now the ZombieStrike darts. Now, it does come with 8, but I'm only doing 6 for the purpose of this video. And, like I said, since I'm not using these last 2 dart holes, I did it backwards. Technical errors. Technical difficulties. Let's try this again. Alright, so I'm going to push this down. Okay, yeah, so I have to load it from the top. My bad. Alright. So, these darts first, and Race Squad next, and then the ZombieStrikes. And the whole idea is to get an idea of what the performances are on these, and these, just to get an idea. I have been shooting this around the house while I've been trying to make this video, just to get a good idea of what the average range and firepower is and accuracy. As far as accuracy goes, this is actually not a bad gun for accuracy. The ranges kind of suck, because then again, you're basing it on how powerful and how hard you can pull this trigger. Slam it down. I'm gonna do one. I'm gonna do one over here. Oh, works pretty well. Try to aim not for the camera. I'll aim a little bit right there. So, the streamlined darts fit nice and well, and they also work at the same time. That's some wrapper. I'm going to throw that out. The next darts up are the Race Squad waffle heads. So, one over here. Looks like they would probably go a little bit higher. They go a little bit higher than the streamlines from Race Squad. Same idea. Got some good bounce back on that. Let's see. So these are the Race Squad waffle head darts, or yeah, I think those are waffle heads. It's been a while since I've done this. Cut me some slack. And now for the zombie strikes. One over here. That was pretty crappy. Okay. Kids, don't do this at home. Don't ever do what I'm doing. This is pretty bad. Bad explanatory. Okay, so last shot, zombie strike. Again, really crappy. So I guess I'm just going to look at the details on the foam darts, and it looks like, I mean, this one's pretty. I mean, take a look. It's pretty well good. That didn't sound right. This looks like it's in great condition. This doesn't. It looks actually kind of flimsy. It kind of looks like it's about ready to break too. This one's pretty stiff, and it went the furthest, I would think. All right, so I guess really it all matters. I think like the darts matter, and the condition of the darts matter as well. Obviously, you can't fit megas or heck, even the mega missiles. Alright, so some key points about this gun is barrel attachment, stock attachment, barrel attachment, stock attachment, and for some odd reason, it looks like a tactical rail on the very bottom. No idea why it's there. I think the best practical thing would be a dart holder here, and that's it. Although that would be pretty sick. I have not tried to do roofing with this, so that'll be for another video, I think. And when I'm actually comfortable with going on a roof. I prefer the ground level, people, not the roof. So the ammo capacity for this gun is 8 darts. So fits 8 of the zombie strike darts or 8 of any darts of these kinds. The rate of fire is based on how fast you can pull the trigger. And if you do like a light pull, you don't get much power. If you do a hard pull, you get more of a oomph power. Reload time is actually, if you fired all 8 and then you ran out, you just slap one into each one of these holes until you get all 8, and then slap it down, and then you're all set to go. Now, say if you got like 2 or 3 down, but you have 5 already filled in, you can just pull the whole clip out. Not all the way out, but enough so you can see all 8 holes, like this. I'll try and align it. There we go. So, if you had a clip like this, and you had a couple holes filled, empty, and you wanted to like fill, say, all of the holes out, or take some darts out, then yeah, you could do that. Typically, reload times are pretty long with this. The ranges are decent. They're like 40, 55 feet. Blech. 40, 55 feet. 40 minimum, 55 maximum. The accuracy is actually not too bad. It's like most of these shots, except for the zombie strike darts that I demonstrated in this video, pretty much hit the wall and hit exactly where I wanted to be. Like, it hit the thermostat twice. And I was actually aiming for the center, like everything else in like regular darts, where you throw these like metal darts at a dartboard. I was trying to aim for the dead center of something, and it came close. Didn't exactly hit it. The firepower is pretty powerful, but like I said, it all depends on the quality and the type of darts, and that's obviously a complaint for me, because what if all I have are these? I'm screwed. If I have all these, I'm fine, or these even better. The specialty, it looks like a nail gun, pretty much. Overall key points, I already mentioned that. The overall take on this gun, if I had to give it a star rating, it's been a while since I've done this, and I apologize for that. For a rating like this, for like a star rating, 1 out of 10, I would probably give this, let's go with 7.5. 7.5 stars out of 10. It's a decent gun, but it could use some improvement. Like, for example, if the dart quality's crap, they could still shoot okay, maybe not crap, but like shoot better if they were in like okay condition. If they're gonna be in crap, of course they're gonna be in crap condition and have crap range. But if like this dart, even though it's still like very loose and flimsy, it should be able to shoot further or the same exact distance as to oppose of these. So that is it. That is it for today's video. This is the NailBiter from Nerf. I honestly can say this is pretty much an awesome prop. This is an awesome prop to use. But to use it in a Nerf war, I'd have to be very close. I'd probably have to be within my camera and me to use it if I were stuck with these. And as far as roofing, that's for another video. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, understood the video. This is Nerf Gun Reviewer 331 signing off for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, understood the video. Hope you guys have a great day, night, life, and everything else. And I'll see you guys later. See ya. Where's the... crap.